Sound Art Unit 2 Level 7 Clean Jeans. 오늘만 get set go.
늘 got ice
Clean
cream
on
on
his
his
knit
knit jeans. Mom cleans his jeans with bleach. 늘 got tea on his knit jeans. Mom cleans his jeans with bleach. 늘 sat on a peach in his knit jeans. Mom did not clean his jeans with bleach. 늘 I will teach you how to make this jeans neat. Now you will make your jeans neat.
Okay. Read just a little bit faster. 좀 더 빠르게 읽어줄까? 오늘만 get set go.
늘 got ice cream on his knit jeans. Mom cleans his jeans with bleach. 늘 got tea on his knit jeans. Mom cleans his jeans with bleach. 늘 sat on a peach in his knit jeans. Mom did not clean his jeans with bleach. 늘 I will teach you how to make your jeans neat.
나 오케이. 됐죠? 마지막 단계 read as fast as you can. 읽을 수 있는 가장 빠르게 읽어주세요. 오늘만 get set go.
늘 got ice cream on his knit jeans. Mom cleans his jeans with bleach. 늘 got tea on his knit jeans. Mom cleans his jeans with bleach. 늘 sat on a peach in his knit jeans. Mom did not clean his jeans with bleach. 늘 I will teach you how to make this jeans neat. Now you will make your jeans neat.
수고하셨습니다.